Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and today here's a little treat for you. Been going through some old photos, and this is the table at the restaurant at Harvey Field where the idea for the AYA was born. This is where folks in the area with their Yankees would fly for pie. They were all big on pie, and that's the table that they used, and that was where the idea came up. So we have a few more pictures for you of this event and this table, so stay tuned for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Many years ago, I was traveling out there and was helping Ken do some work in his shop, being his AMP and his IA, and he took Luann and I to the place and showed us the table. And while we were there, he saw an airplane that he used to know. It's in pretty bad shape sitting out tied down at Harvey Field, but it was important to Ken, and the N number might mean something to somebody, N5924 Lima. But anyway, here's a little bit of history as I've been going through some of my old photos and found these and thought that you would enjoy seeing where the AYA was born. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying, folks.